Don't let your AC system get knocked out by the heat this upcoming summer. Call KS Services and let our team come take a look. We repair and install all makes and models. We even offer a free no-hassle quote and second opinion, so give us a call today. With our flexible financing, you can literally pick your payment. We may even be able to help you knock down that utility bill a bit.
KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition. This is for Monday, the 6th of August. I'm James Spann. Pretty dry today and tomorrow. Any showers will be isolated, but rain chances will likely increase statewide over the latter half of this week as the ridge weakens a bit. Here we go. Big picture this morning across the country. This is the upper airflow at 500 millibars, about 18,000 feet up. The westerlies are up north. Down below, we have pretty typical summer conditions with ridging, a 595 ridge on top of us today. That means any showers should be few and far between. They'll be out there today, but probably not very many. Early this morning, temperatures are mostly in the 70s across the southern states, more like summertime as you expect, and the cool air back in the northern Rockies where some 40s and 50s are seen. The Northeast heating up. Heat advisories for places like New York City and Boston today. And a few pockets of heat advisories out west, but generally speaking, things are quiet this morning. Chance of severe storms later today and tonight along a surface front north of the state from near Denver up to about Cleveland. And that front will be sagging southward in coming days. This is tomorrow. A marginal risk from, again, the southern Rockies up into New England. And on day 3, a couple of marginal risks went up around Washington, D.C., Philadelphia, Baltimore. And, of course, we stay on the green. That means the chance of afternoon storms each day, but again, in terms of the coverage of the rain, that starts to increase on Wednesday as the ridge begins to weaken. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. The west and the northwest is dry. The south, fairly wet, and again, our better rain chances will come Wednesday through the weekend. Rain amounts between 1 and 2 inches for much of the state, but of course, your number could vary because of the great variability in rain placement every day, the scattered nature of the storms. Tropics, hey, we're in the peak of the season, August and September, the 2 big months, but it's amazingly quiet. A lot of dry air, cooler water, one little swirl up in the middle of the Atlantic, NHC giving that a 20% chance of forming in the short term and really the longer term. That's moving north up toward the North Atlantic. No threat to land, probably won't develop. So model fans, let's go. This is the GFS, the 06E run, valid today at 1 o'clock. 594 ridge on top of us, westerlies up north. And again, today kind of like yesterday. Lots of sun, hot, humid, only isolated storms later today. In this evening, chance of any one spot getting wet, only about 10%. Highs, I'd say 92 to 95. Pretty hot today. And really the same thing tomorrow. Highs up in the low to mid 90s. Partly to mostly sunny with only widely scattered afternoon storms. But on Wednesday, the ridge weakens. The air becomes more unstable. Showers and storms will likely increase in numbers. Still won't rain everywhere, but any one spot, 40-50% chance of getting wet with a high in the low 90s. This is Thursday. We'll probably back down into the upper 80s with scattered to numerous showers and storms, and the same thing on Friday. So each day this week, rain coverage will be increasing, especially Wednesday through Friday, with heat levels coming down. In fact, the GFS showing only 85 for the high on Friday. For the weekend, pretty much the same deal. Have a stalled surface front north of the state. The ridge is weakened. A mix of sun and clouds with highs, again, mid to upper 80s. In Sunday, some sun, a few passing storms around, highs mid to upper 80s. Here's a week from today, Monday the 12th. Pretty good little trough digging through here, and again, we'll have scattered showers and storms about. Let's go out 10 days, Wednesday of next week, the 15th, mid-month. Pretty impressive trough digging down across the northern states. And again, that should put a lid on any major heat wave problems here. Don't expect that. But that looks fairly quiet in terms of rain. The numbers coming off the National Weather Service best blend of models for the next 10 days. You can see we drop back in the 80s Thursday through the weekend, then creep back up toward 90 next week, but no sign of any excessively hot weather. By that, upper 90s or higher, and really the hottest weather for the next 7 days will likely be today and tomorrow. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Summer's just around the corner, and KS Services wants to be the team ensuring your comfort. We repair and install all makes and models, so give us a call today to get a free, no-hassle second opinion.
KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.